Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this pink bag might mean something to some of you. To me it means Ipsy's here, Ipsy's here, yay! I love that they package it in this bright pink bag every month because it just makes me happy when I see it in the mailbox, and it's just exciting. So for those of you that may not be familiar with Ipsy, where have you been? No, I'm teasing. But honestly, this is a fabulous, I think, subscription. It is only $10 a month, and with the $10, you get a bag every month, and 5 different sample size products. You can even go online and kind of customize some of it. I don't do any of that. I just let them send me whatever they send me. And they even have a deluxe bag now, but I don't use that either. I just get the $10 one, and it works out great, I think. I love it. This is a cute bag. This one is kind of a pink, like linen kind of bag. I don't know if it's linen. It's a pink bag, stitched bag, and it looks like it has the galaxy on it. In the back it says Ipsy in gold back here. Oh, and there's like a crystal zipper pull. That's cool. And it's gold. And then on the inside it's a navy. And then we get a little find your light, your highlight, I guess. September's all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Discover yourself. So, and then here is a little description of each of the products. So I'm just going to pull one out and see what we have. This one says Wonder Honey Green Aqua Bomb Cream. Alrighty, so let's see. And it says Hora Hora, I don't know if I'm saying that right, meaning every day in Korean. This lifestyle-inspired brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their uniquely designed products. This moisturizes uses green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. Apply a pea-sized amount of moisture onto your forehead, nose, cheek, and chin, and then use your fingers to massage it evenly all over your skin. It has a little cap on it, so let me take that off. I just want to try it on my hand. It's kind of neat that it forms a little pea size and it doesn't move. It's not even pea size, it's smaller than a pea, but oh, it is very nice. It feels good. It feels moisturizing, but not greasy at all. Soaks right in. Of course, my hands are really dry right now too, so that probably helps. But man, that is nice. I mean, it seriously doesn't feel like I put anything on yet, but my hands feel like they're already feeling better. I'm going to use some more, and I'm going to start on this side, even though I know that's a no-no. I don't care. It's what I do. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel with my moisturizer. Oh gosh, I am really liking that. Smells nice. It smells kind of, I don't know what. Maybe a little florally, but it's kind of like a bold floral. It's pretty. It's not too strong at all. It's very, very weak, as a matter of fact. Gosh, I have a big scratch on my knuckle. I didn't even know. What the heck? It's like all sore even. I don't even know what I did. It's probably one of those pups. We'll blame them. And let's see, what is this? This looks like the Beauty Crop eyeshadow in Halcyon. Halcon, I don't know. The folks behind the Beauty Crop create simple, effective, high-performing products that inspired by healthy living, utilizing plant-based ingredients and natural oils in everything they make. This greenish gold shadow is buttery smooth, richly pigmented, and perfect for fall. Use your fingertip to apply the shadow onto your entire lid, or use a damp brush for a bolder effect. So let's open it up and see what's in it. This is not a color I would ever choose. Ever, ever, ever. It's kind of nice though. It's not bad. Look how much is on my finger though, comparatively. That's weird. I could see that though. I don't mind it. Except for I don't like it all packed in on my finger, but I like it on this. That's kind of neat. All right, let's see what else we got. Another box. This says Sundays. Sundays nail polish in 35. Based in New York City, Sunday's nail salons have spawned a cult following for their cruelty-free, non-toxic nail polishes, like the pretty Petrol Blue shade. That is pretty. Not a Mani Pro, don't sweat. This brush picks up just the right amount of color to ensure smooth and even applications. Swipe on in 3 stripes, starting to the left, then right, then center of your nail bed. Sweep the brush across the tip of your nail to cap off the color. So, it's a pretty color. I think I like that. And it's color number 35, Sundays, it says. Show us your Sunday look for a chance to be featured. I'm not gonna throw that box away because I'm gonna keep this color. I like it. Ooh, this is a big sample. This is Ofra Cosmetics in X Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofa Gato, and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us a highly pigmented shadows, glosses, brushes, and beyond. Shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn dry or wet to intensify it, and as an eyeshadow. Tip, swirl a fluffy blush brush onto the Sweet Stuff blush and tap off excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks? Dust blush onto them and blend. It's kind of a matte, really pretty pink. Gosh, I'm really liking all of this stuff in this. Goodness gracious, I can see myself wearing this. Fabulous. And then I think this is the last one, and this says Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Made with natural ingredients, Glow Recipe products embody what's best about K-beauty. This gel-like mask can be used in the morning or overnight to give your skin a major hydration boost. Watermelon, seaweed, and pumpkin fruit extracts brighten, protect, and even out skin texture. Mix up the formula for a wash-off mask, apply all over your face, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. For overnight, pat onto skin to absorb and rinse off in the morning. I want to see what it smells like. Oh gosh, it smells like watermelon. It smells really good. And it kind of feels like a mask. It feels a little bit thick. But that's okay. It's a mask, so I don't want it to be a lotion. I don't know if I have that closed all the way. But it is soft and nice, and it's already dry, so I could see me wearing that at night. I'm gonna have to give that a whirl. So it's a 5 out of 5 this month for things that I'm gonna keep. Sorry, Katie. She's not getting anything from this box, but I'm really liking it. Yay! So for 10 bucks, guys, I mean, seriously, can you buy even a nail polish anymore for 10 bucks? I don't know, but pretty good. I like it, and I'm happy. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys give it a whirl, and it's Ipsy.com, Ipsy. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.